Now let's get straight to making some real money. Hey, welcome back. I'm really happy to have you here again, and hopefully you will find this video useful. But I'm sure you will if you are into TikTok. What is that? If you don't know and if you don't have it, well, take your phone and download it right now, because in today's video I will show you 2 ways to make money with TikTok. If you have it already, well, even better. Probably you're using it for fun, for dancing, for showing different kind of things, but you know that you can also make money, and I'll show you how in just a moment. Before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and of course turn on the notifications if you want to. Oh, subscribing is mandatory. Just kidding, but you could subscribe, you know? Okay guys, let's see what is TikTok and what you can find in this app. And I'll just take my phone and you will see the screen right here. So let's start. So as you can see, there are a lot of funny things, people doing different things out there, and now let's get straight to making some real money. Well, TikTok seems to be an app that is kind of viral right now, but who knows if it's just a trend or if it will be as big as Facebook and Instagram. Well, we will see. Anyways, let's start with the easiest method to make money on TikTok. You can already have an account and post your regular dancing or whatever you do, or you can create a new account right now and start posting literally whatever you want. You don't really need to show your face. You can use a mask like this one. Oh no, not that kind of mask. Instead, you can use this kind of mask. Let's move on. The next step is to go to this website called timebox.com and sign up and link your TikTok account. You can choose one single category or any category, and then you have to edit your TikTok bio and add some numbers so you can get verified on Timebox. The first thing you will have to do when you post your very first video on TikTok, you will have to add some numbers in your caption, and then you grab your TikTok link and go back to timebox.com and add that link in your profile. You will be paid based on CPM, so try it and you will see how much money you can make. If you already love TikTok, well, this won't be a difficult thing to do, but don't expect to make hundreds of dollars instantly, okay? Now, the second way to make money from TikTok, well, it may take you longer, but hey, do you want to make money or not? Now let's go on YouTube, because I want to show you something. If we write down TikTok funny compilations, we actually have lots of videos, and let's pick one of these to see more details. I show you this right now because I want you to understand what you have to do. So let's pick one of these. Let's say that we will pick this one, Funny TikTok February 2020 from Cool TikTok. And if you see, this channel has 38,000 subscribers, and this video from February 21st already has more than 600,000 views. So let's go and check this channel for a moment. If we go on the About section, you will see that they joined YouTube on the 15th of January 2020. The number of subscribers is pretty cool for this new channel. And guess how many videos they have? Well, 19 videos. So let's get back and see how you can do this too. So you will have to record some TikTok videos and make compilations for your YouTube channel. Now think about it. You can do this for every kind of videos. You don't have to do it only for funny videos. You can go for dancing videos, educational videos, strange videos or whatever, and all these in one single YouTube channel. But how you will get monetized with all that TikTok music? Well, you don't have to use the TikTok music. You can go to YouTube Audio Library or other tools where you can find non-copyrighted music and add it to your videos. Another idea is to record yourself and be like a commentator of those videos. There are so many options and all you have to do is to give it a try. And of course, be creative. I have seen many of you asking if this is okay to do. Well, yes, why not? You can either add a disclaimer in your descriptions or you can directly ask the people you want to show in your videos if they agree with that. Now let's get back onto my computer and see that cool TikTok channel, if they are making some money and how much do they make. Well, they can make a pretty good amount of money, but as you know, Social Blade doesn't show the exact amount, so you can consider a little less of what you are seeing right now. Now, if you are a completely beginner, you will ask, okay, but how will I do that? How will I record those videos and create new videos and all the other things? Well, you go on TikTok, select the videos that you want to use, save them to your photo library and then edit them with any kind of app like Animoto or Coolix or other apps. You can even do this from your phone directly, but it may take a little longer, so I suggest you to do it from your computer. After editing the video, well, all you have to do is create a nice and catchy thumbnail and post it to your YouTube channel. Fortunately, there are so many ways to make money online, especially from these new apps that basically give you free content to use. Well guys, this was all for today's video, but don't think that there aren't any ways to make money from this platform. If you're interested in this platform, how to grow, how to make money out of it, well, leave me a comment down below, then I will make sure I will give you more tips about TikTok, especially how to make money while you have fun. We'll see you next time and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Bye bye!